to pay with Gcash on SHEIN. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay with Gcash in your SHEIN account. So first of all, just open the SHEIN official website, or you can also follow the same steps in your SHEIN app. So once you are there, just log into your account, and after that you just have to select any product from the SHEIN website that you want to purchase and put that product in your cart, and just click on view cart, and you will be redirected to the page where you have to enter your details in order to place your order. So as you can see on the right hand side of the window, these are the cards that SHEIN currently accept. It says PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Affirms, Visa and other things. So all you have to do is just click on checkout now. Now as you can see that the Gcash is a digital wallet payment option for Philippines customers. You will have to sign up for your Gcash by registering your mobile number and setting up a 4-digit mobile personal identification number, which is called MPIN. And after register, you can funding your Gcash amount by transferring funds from your bank account by depositing cash at Gcash store, and then you can complete your order by Gcash. So this way you will be able to pay with Gcash in your SHEIN account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.